The SVE Bollinger Band MTF Binary Options Indicator, or SVEB for short, provides trading signals based on Bollinger Bands and moving averages. Using it in trading is extremely simple, and even inexperienced traders will be able to apply a strategy based on it without any problems. Interestingly, this indicator is distributed online for free. But some traders claim that with proper configuration, it can provide signals with a win rate of 70 to 80%. Well, let's get to know it better. You can download it from our website and install it in the MetaTrader 4 terminal in the usual way. Look for download links and installation instructions in the description under the video. In the basement panel, SVEB MTF displays a blue line that moves between the green and red. All three lines are based on standard MetaTrader 4 indicators, 2 different moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. When the blue line crosses the red line from the bottom up, a blue arrow up appears on the chart. This is a signal to buy call options, and vice versa. When the blue line crosses the green line from top to bottom, a red arrow signal appears to buy a put option. This indicator has a lot of settings, and each parameter allows the trader to adjust and build a full-fledged trading system for himself in accordance with his personal trading strategy in binary options trading. In the review article on our website, we talk in detail about the settings of this indicator, how they affect the quality and number of signals on the chart. And most importantly, we show how to activate and adjust secret settings and algorithms of hidden divergences, the inclusion of which allows you to receive additional and quite accurate signals for trading. It is the knowledge of these settings and their adjustment that allows you to receive up to 80% of profitable signals using SVEB MTF. Go to the site using the link in the description and carefully study the activation and configuration of hidden parameters for trading binary options. So let's now consider what are the basic rules for trading binary options using the SVEB MTF strategy. We tested the operation of this indicator for trading binary options on several currency pairs, using a minute time frame and an expiration of 1 candle. The results were very unexpected. Pink and blue arrows brought profit in 76 cases on samples of 100 transactions. And the Japanese yen and pound gave a win rate of 83%. We strongly recommend that you carefully read and analyze our research and testing results. Look for the link in the description. And this reduces trading on this indicator to absolute simplicity, and to buy a call option, only 2 conditions must be met. First, a blue upward arrow appears. Second, the candle on which the signal appeared has closed. And immediately at the opening of the next candle, you should buy a call option with an expiration of 1 candle. You can use any time frame. And to buy a put option, it is necessary that 1. A pink downward arrow appears. 2. The candle on which the signal appeared has closed. At the opening of the next candle, you can buy a put option. Let's try to trade on a real example using the Pocket Option platform. Here is the first signal to buy a put option on the euro-dollar pair on a minute time frame. The trend is growing, and the price is stuck in a narrow flat. Not every indicator will dare to trade in such conditions, but in this strategy, the market phase is not decisive. There is a signal, and we rush to open a deal with an expiration of 1 candle. The price indecision made us a little worried about our $100, but nevertheless, the deal closed in the plus. Bravo, SVE Bollinger Band MTF. And here is a new signal, again, euro-dollar. This time we buy a call. The price has already made the first impulse, but we will take a risk and try to jump on the bandwagon. Well, the force of movement on the signal was enough to earn us another $77. A similar situation on the market. A good impulse immediately after the appearance of a signal indicator to buy a call option. past experience encourages us and we buy a call again, counting on the continued growth of the euro-dollar pair. Well, a more agile trader could have made money on this signal, but we lose our $100 bet. Let's continue. The pound-yen is not one of the major currency pairs recommended for trading on this indicator, but a signal is a signal. Let's try to buy a POOD option based on the hidden divergence readings. This is again a deal against the main trend, but this time, a small delay between the appearance of the signal and execution in real money plays into our hands. And here are $83 added to our deposit after just a minute of waiting. In conclusion, I would like to say that only a competent study of the parameters of this indicator, analysis of its signals on history, as well as a study of the testing results by our specialists and analysts will allow you to receive a stable profit in binary options trading. Be sure to test all indicators on a demo account and do not forget to manage your capital correctly, following the rules of money management and risk management. And of course, choose only proven brokers for trading, which can be found in our rating of binary options brokers. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new, interesting, and useful videos from the field of binary options trading. Thank you for your attention. Successful trading.